Hey everybody, it's Julie. Thanks for being here. I like to talk about creative real estate investment strategies. And I just recently stayed in an Airbnb. I'm kind of, I guess, doing kind of a Airbnb series here. I was a guest. I haven't done Airbnbs myself, so, disclaimer. And at the same time, I feel like, my experience at some of these places could help some of you. So this one place I thought was so smart because they put paint on everything and it really just freshened up the whole space. They painted the countertops in the bathroom and it looked good. I could tell it was painted, but it looked really good. They also painted the whole tub and they painted all the tile and everything just looked very refreshed. I could tell it was an older house, but with the paint, it was absolutely amazing. The colors looked really good together. It looked very modern, even though, again, I could tell it was older. But they did a very economical refresh of the space. I thought it was really smart. And that's something that you can do, I think, in an Airbnb. I also think it's something that you can make work in a rental, whether it's, long-term or short-term as well. When you're trying to sell your house, as a home to somebody else, you definitely want to spend more money on those upgrades that people are going to be living with for a long time. And I just really thought that this Airbnb owner was really smart and obviously pretty thrifty, and I had a great time. So I hope that's helpful for you. If you want to get together, then go to streetsmartdiva.com/book. If you want access to all my real estate investment tools that are free, then you can go to streetsmartdiva.com/myfreetools. Like, subscribe, comment, share if you want. I would really appreciate it. And have a great day. Bye.